What's up guys, Rob from Geek, and in today's video I'm going to go through Google Ads recommendations and why I don't use them 99% of the time and why you definitely should not be auto-applying these. So we're in a live client account right now. You'll just see we got all our stuff going on here. Now, you're going to get recommendations from Google. They're going to call it a, quote, optimization score. End quote. Essentially, what that means is it's just Google's recommendations on best practices that you should be applying to your account in order to get a 100% optimization score from Google. This optimization score has zero bearing in reality. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't affect your campaign at all. It's nothing. It's basically look at it as a scale of 1 to 10 from Google on what Google thinks you're doing. That has no relevance whatsoever to your campaign. So essentially, right off the bat, it's useless. But here's how it can be dangerous. So if you go into your campaign, we'll go into this guy's campaign, we'll go to recommendations up here. If you have auto apply recommendations turned on, and I'll show you the dismissed ones because I just come in and dismiss them, Google will auto apply some of these recommendations, which as you can see can be a friggin' disaster because one of the recommendations is upgrade all of your existing keywords to broad match keywords. Right? So by clicking apply, you're going to turn all of your keywords into broad match keywords. Here's another one, raise your budgets. If you accidentally click apply, it's going to raise your budget to whatever the hell Google thinks it should be raised to, and that could be $1,000 plus a day, could be $10,000 a day, could be whatever. Doesn't really matter, but this is why you have to make sure you have auto apply recommendations turned off. And on the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to do that exactly. But for right now, look at some of these recommendations. Add site links, upload customer match lists. I mean, it goes on and on. I'm not going to go through all of them, but some of them are okay, like removing redundant keywords. Like that could be okay. It's something to look at. You don't have to do it. I usually don't. So they're not all terrible, but these two right here could really jam you up. If you hit auto apply and it turns your budget from, say you're running $50 a day or something like that, and it turns to $500. I mean, now you're talking real world consequences. You have to spend that money because you hit apply. You basically agreed with Google and said, yeah, I want to up my budget. Even if you didn't realize what you were doing, it doesn't matter. They won't refund you. You're going to spend that money. And broad match keywords, same deal. You hit apply. You're going to get a ton of garbage traffic to your campaign that's not going to convert. You're going to spend all your money and get no results. So this is the kind of stuff you got to watch out for. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this off. Okay, so in order to turn off and make sure that auto apply recommendation is not turned on your account, it's really simple. So you're not going to do this at the campaign level though, guys. Very important distinction. You're going to do this at the account level. So you have to make sure that you're looking at your account level statistics and stuff here. So you can see we're not in any individual campaign. We're at our overview dashboard for the entire account. Now, if we go into recommendations, come up here to auto apply, you'll see what's going on here, right? And it's giving you options to auto apply things. Create dynamic search ads. That shouldn't even be checked, so I'm glad I'm in here right now. And it gives you all these different things that you can check to turn on, and Google will just automatically turn these on for you when it's suggested. See here, ad assets, keyword targeting, right? Expand your reach with Google search partners, optimize targeting, audience. It can mess with your audiences, and this is all on autopilot if these are checked, right, guys? So it's really, really important that you go through this list, you uncheck it, make sure nothing's checked, and hit save up here. If you don't hit save, it didn't work. Very important. We've had a client who kept messing with this in the account, and he was like frustrated emailing us, and we're like, you know, why, what are you doing? And he's like, I'm trying to turn off the auto apply. I'm like, we already did it. He tried to do it and had left things checked, and then hit save and redid it all and left all of this stuff back on, and his account got crushed with broad match keywords. We had to go back and fix everything. So it's really important that you hit save, but make sure, as my story there just goes, make sure you have nothing checked. Anything checked is going to auto apply. Really, really important. So just make sure you do that. And again, I'm going to do it again just because. So we're all good. We're safe. We're all good from auto apply as long as you do this. So as long as you guys do this, you'll be fine. If you have any questions, anything like that, in the comment section below this video, actually leave your let me know what you guys have experienced with auto apply and Google Ads, because I kind of like hearing about it, because sometimes I know people who love it. I really do. And they'll check some of these things, like, oh, I wanted to add responsive search ads, or I wanted to remove redundant keywords or whatever. I just am right now, I'm at like a throw it all out the window. I don't want them involved in making decisions for my campaign. But I'd like to hear what you guys think. If you use this, if it works for you, your experience with it.